Hi, my name is Vidyut Jamwal and I'm an actor. But apart from that, I'm a practitioner of the oldest martial art in the world called Kalaripayat. जब मैं बहुत छोटा था, I had broken my wrist. I was about 6 years old. The doctors told me that don't move it in this direction. ये मत करो, वो मत करो. But चूंकि मैं बहुत छोटा था, मैंने डर होके after it got started healing, I started moving it. And today, with great pride, I can say that my wrist can move in any direction that it's supposed to. Today, we will be talking about the skeletal system, the joints, and the bones. Let's start with the elementary of the things that we haven't been moving. So let's start with just squeezing. हमारे फिंगर्स में भी बहुत सारे जॉइंट्स होते हैं. एक ये है, एक ये है, एक ये है, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे. हम इनको नॉर्मली मूव नहीं करते हैं. So to get the energy in the bones, first you have to tell the bones that I will be calling upon you. आप उनसे बात करना शुरू करिए. Wrist movement. And like we've been doing, we should smile at it. Elbow. I think the only advice that I have for people who had injuries या जिनकी अभी भी हाल में सर्जरीज हुई हैं, ये मत सोचिए कि मैं करूँ ना करूँ. Just be cautious and do not be stupid. लोगों को अगर एल्बो में दर्द है, थोड़ी है, ज़्यादा है, you can't move it, you keep moving it. एक लेवल आता है जहाँ पे आपको डर लगता है, उसके बाद वाले लेवल पे जाना है. हमें movement in all directions. If the doctors have asked you not to move at all, I would suggest move a little bit, but move. Shoulders. आज हम शोल्डर गर्डल पे ज़्यादा काम करेंगे क्योंकि कई लोगों को एल्बो में बहुत दर्द होती है, नेक, एंड उनको लगता है कि वो एल्बो पेन है, बट इट इज़ नॉट रियली द एल्बो पेन. इट कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्कैपुला और फ्रॉम हेयर. Neck rotation. So the next time I come online, what I want you to do is watch the first and the second part. I've talked about the marma points in the body. We should heat them up before we come and train together. Let's move our arms. दो तरीके होते हैं. एक होता है जैसे विराट शॉट मारता है, with full power everything is activated. उससे पहले हमें उसको सॉफ्ट करना है. Let the energy flow. Let it flow. Let it flow. बहुत लूज रखिए हाथ. Let the body be loose. We are getting the energy into the body. Keep an inner smile on. Let the joints not be scared. Meet them. Shift your hand. It has to be light. Flow with it. Flow with it. Flow with it. Alternate hands. Flow with it. Now we need to start making circles. Imagine करिए आप. I want you to visualize it whilst you are doing it. It's very important because if you have a protective circle around you, अगर आप अपने आसपास ऐसा कुछ बना सकते हैं जिससे आपको प्रोटेक्शन मिलती हो, नज़र हो या कुछ भी हो, you can heal yourself. Every cell in our body has divine intelligence. What we do is आगे सर्कल, पीछे सर्कल, आगे सर्कल, पीछे सर्कल, आगे सर्कल, पीछे सर्कल, आगे सर्कल, पीछे सर्कल, आगे सर्कल. Gently. If you smile from within, your body will loosen up. Nice. Don't worry if you have an injury. Let's move it a little bit. If you can't do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, but move. जो आपने मूवमेंट की है फ्रंट एंड बैक सर्कल्स, सर्कल 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 सर्कल, अब आप there's no such thing as perfection, everything is perfect, just keep moving slowly. If you can't get it right, no problem, today's the first day. उसके बाद सॉफ्ट करिए. Smiling, use this, use your thoracic, let the energy flow, let the energy move. Stop, move. You can move it in any direction, just move, the energy has started flowing. Now, use the elbows, let it be free. Sweating. Shoulders. The way we walk in the gym, हमने gym में देखा है ना लोग ऐसे से चलते हैं. Just move it. Move this. Move this. Straighten. Slow. Now what I want you to do is, if you're moving like that, you can feel the energy flow. The sacrum, the pelvis has to be moved with your shoulder. कई लोगों को shoulder में injury होती है, उसके कई reason हो सकते हैं. Forearm, bicep, lower back. It's like कई बार हम लोगों से गुस्सा होते हैं, so हम किसी और बात पे उनसे लड़ाई कर लेते हैं. The body's like that. If there's a problem in the shoulder, it will talk through the elbow. Start listening to it. All right. Now what I want you to do is shoulders को आगे भेजिए. Shoulders, shoulders. Nice. Keep smiling into your head. Nice. You can go fast also. Shoulder. Use this. Use the pelvis. If you've got into the rhythm, focus a little bit, you will feel the energy flow. Try not to move the pelvis now, just the shoulders, elbows and the wrist. Shun away all the stress that you have. जितनी tension है निकाल दो यार. इतनी speed नहीं, slow में. But move it. Now, one of my favorite parts, hug yourself. You've been good. You've been very good. You've been the strongest. I've been talking to my friends and they're like, Vidyut, my hair's graying. Vidyut, my nail paint has not been done. Vidyut, blah, my other brother friends are talking about something else. Kuch nahi hota yaar. Just meet yourself. Just enjoy what you are growing into. The time will be there when you'll be going out, you'll be meeting people. Be the best that you are now. Let it grow. Don't worry about your nails. Don't worry about your hair. Don't worry about your dark circles. Don't worry about your pimples. Let them come out. Alright. That's cool. Let's get the rhythm. Now I want you to move every joint of yours. There's no such thing as perfection. It is just called movement. Just move. Smile. The way you move is the way you move. It's the way of beauty. Go within yourselves. This is a great time to go within yourselves. Follow me. We'll try and make a ball of energy. You will visualize it. When you do it, visualize it on your own. It's the movement, the fluidity, ball. Prana, bone breathing. Prana means the life force within, called the chi also. You can make a bigger ball. When you're doing it on your own, Shut your eyes, watch yourself from within. Can you feel the energy? I'm loving it. Need to change the t-shirt. Love it. विद्युत शक्ति अंदर से निकल रही है पूरी. दिन में आप अगर सिर्फ 5 मिनट भी मूव करें, अगर आपके ट्रेनर्स आपको बोल रहे हैं कि ये फॉर्म सही है, वो सही है, फाइंड योर ओन फॉर्म. यू एट होम, फिगर आउट व्हाट सूट्स यू द बेस्ट. आई नो पीपल हु से आई कांट डू अ पुशअप. डोंट डू अ पुशअप, डू एवरी स्टेप ऑफ इट. ज़मीन को कैसे धक्का मारना है, नीचे कैसे जाना है. The sacrum, which is over here, which we'll move in the next version, is the jad of everything. The spine is the most important part in the human body. They say a spineless person doesn't mean like, it means not a sturdy enough person. Let's get the spine moving, let's get the energy moving. I had broken my toe, both my toes, and I'm reminding myself. I had broken my ankles, my rib. So the doctors told me, wait. I waited. I believed that it healed. Then I started moving it. For example, I had broken my toe, I had a rod in it. So what I did was, make them strong, make them movable. The body heals on its own. It is healing. It is healing. Start taking it to a different level of it. So we've moved the upper body. Now is the time to move a little bit of our lower body. A lot of people can't sit like this. They should be able to practice it. If you're at your home and you see your pelvis doesn't open up like that, it's not very cool. We should move it. अगर आप ऐसे नहीं बैठ पाते हैं, hold something like a door, table, chair, ऐसा बैठ सकते हैं ऐसा. I want you to move it till here. It's a very important position. गांव में बहुत लोग pelvis पे बैठ के काम करते हैं पूरा दिन. Hence they don't age so easily. The fluid, the fuel goes up from there. So pelvis move करते हैं, थोड़ा knees move करते हैं. I want you to sit like that. If you can't, no problem, use your hands over here. Like that, be comfortable. Touch this knee. ये भी एक तरीका है. For people who love color repeat, they know how important it is to move this area. Now we'll go to the part 2, where in the last 2 minutes I had spoken about reverse breathing. It has a lot of benefits. Number one is you can alter the way you're thinking, behaving at that very particular time. Simply. What is reverse breathing? Normally जब हम breathe करते हैं, सांस अंदर लेते हैं, पेट बाहर आता है. Exhale करते हैं तो अंदर चले जाता है पेट. This is the way most of us breathe, 95%, but some of us don't breathe like that, and that's called reverse breathing. आपने लोगों को हंसते हुए देखा होगा, जो हमारी तरह हंसते हुए हंसते हैं, but in the real way. But कई लोग ऐसे भी हंसते हैं. They normally are used to doing reverse breathing. So what is reverse breathing is when you inhale, you hold, your stomach goes in. Those who had watched the second episode must have practiced it by now. I hope so. So if you have an injury, keep reverse breathing. दिन में 5-6 मिनट पूरे संयम से ध्यान लगा के आप रिवर्स ब्रीदिंग करिए, चाहे आप खाना बना रहे हैं, चाहे पढ़ रहे हैं. You will see a change in the way your mind just suddenly jumps. It starts using every inch of your body. अगर आपकी इंजरी है, for example, let's start with clapping. Now what I want you to do is, do not let them meet. Stop, 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 stop. So जो मसल उसको रोक रही है, फोरआर्म की, बाइसेप की, शोल्डर की, उस पर फोकस करिए. Now, for example, if you have an injury on your elbow and I want you to breathe into it, what you have to do is, now you know how you activate your elbow. Now, what I want you to do is, अगर आपके यहाँ injury है, tennis elbow, golf elbow, or any other pain, move there, don't worry. And when you hold it, do a reverse breathing. Exhale, loosen it. Reverse breathe into this part and loosen it. I want you to stress upon that. Let the breath reach there. We'll do it for 6 times. I feel the energy. I love you. That's what you have to say. Any part of yours, shoulder, hips, knee, reverse breathe into it. Till the next time I come back, we will figure out what else, how else to make the breath reach there. The tip of the day is, I want you all to be able to sit in the squat position like this for about 3 minutes in a day. Life will change, and that's the promise in a week's time if you can sit for about 3 minutes. आप ऐसे बैठिए, नहीं बैठ पा रहे, किसी को पूरा जोर से पकड़िए. I want you to sit for 3 minutes. That's the tip of the day. I love you. Om Japakusam Sankasham Kashyapyam Mahatutim Tamorim Sarpapagram Prato Asmi Divakaram